And we've been telling you about private business in New Jersey choosing to require employees and customers to be vaccinated or wear a mask. Now, one lawmaker in Hudson County says he's got an idea to get more business owners to do the same. Our Marcy Rubin explains from Hoboken.
Unless we continue pushing for new energy, new ideas, we're never going to see the change that we need.
Hoboken councilman Mike DeFusco says he has one of those ideas. He's proposing the city offer bars and restaurants financial incentives to require their customers show proof of COVID vaccination or wear masks. It would not, he says, be mandatory.
We're saying that if a bar or restaurant requires a vaccination certificate, we as a city will financially incentivize it.
An example of those potential financial incentives, DeFusco says, is a waiving of the city fees for parklets or streeteries like this one outside a restaurant on River Street. He says this could save restaurants thousands of dollars a year. A spokesperson for Mayor Ravi Bala says while he has not yet had a chance to discuss the idea with local business leaders, he's happy to consider any initiative that might increase vaccination rates. The city did recently launch a small business grant program that includes an incentive to have employees vaccinated. DeFusco says he wants to take that further, especially with nearby New York City's new no entry for unvaccinated policy about to kick in.
We are absolutely concerned that people are going to be coming to Hoboken because of New Jersey's allowance to let people into bars and restaurants without a vaccine certificate.
Councilman DeFusco says if the mayor does not implement the vaccine initiative program as an executive order, he will introduce it as a city ordinance, a process that takes months to pass and take effect. In Hoboken, Marcy Rubin, News 12, New Jersey.
Now, we did reach out to a handful of bar and restaurant owners in town for their thoughts on the proposal. James McHugh owns Texas, Arizona. He called it total nonsense and says he'd rather see the city reduce or eliminate parklet fees with no stipulations like vaccine or mask requirements.